In a quiet, secluded forest, there lived a humble nightingale. Her voice is enchanting as the stars themselves. Known for her captivating melodies, she was the pride of the forest, admired by all creatures great and small. One day, a lavish peacock, envious of the nightingale's fame, proposed a challenge. "Sing for me, nightingale," the peacock boasted, "and I shall reward you with my resplendent feathers." The nightingale, with a heart full of doubt, considered the proposal. She thought of the glittering feathers that would make her the talk of the forest. But then, she remembered the beauty of her own voice, the music that moved hearts. "I cannot sing for a reward," said the nightingale, "for my songs are born from the love of the forest, not for the adornment of my wings." The peacock, disappointed, turned away, but the nightingale continued to sing, her melodies echoing through the forest, reminding all of the true beauty that lies in selflessness. Her songs were no longer heard for fame or glory, but for the love of the music itself. And so, the nightingale taught the forest a valuable lesson, that the truest beauty comes from within, and that the love of one's craft is more valuable than any reward.